In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to generate images on Canva. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Canva, the first thing we need to go to is Canva AI on the left sidebar. From here, you will see a prompt box. On the prompt box, you need to select Create an Image. This will bring up two other options. For style, you can pick from all these different image styles. For example, I'll select cinematic. Then for the next tab, you need to pick the aspect ratio of the image. So I'm going to go for 4:3. Now we need to enter the prompt for the image we want to be generated. It is important to provide as much detail as possible. For example, I'm going to type, "A lone traveller stands at the edge of a cliff at sunset, overlooking a vast valley filled with mist and winding rivers. The golden light of the setting sun breaks through dramatic clouds, casting long shadows across the landscape. The scene is captured in a cinematic windscreen style, with rich detail, high contrast, and a sense of epic scale." Then press enter. Canva has now come out with these four insanely high quality images that it has generated. If we click into any of these, we can view the exact prompt that Canva used to create this specific image. If we click Open in Editor, Canva will open the image in a new tab where we can make changes to it. If we click Boost Resolution, Canva will reprocess the image and return it in a higher resolution. If we hover over the image in the AI Studio, we have the option to download it. And that's all we have for this video on the Canva image generator. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.